Hello Take a Break families, happy Friday. As you could tell, I have my winter jacket on because I'm about to show you a very cool snow related science experiment. So the theme that Carla and I decided is snow this week. We have had enough of it, right? Hopefully in March we're over it, but for now we will do some fun while we have it. Pay attention, this is going to be a blast. So I know that we've made volcanoes in the past, but we've never done it in snow. So this is different this winter. We're going to be using food coloring, baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, and any clear plastic bottle. That's it. All right, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to make this snow volcano. Make sure you zip up jackets. Make sure you have some gloves on, hats. Let's get outside and make a volcano.